Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CrowdStrike Falcon alerting for endpoints, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the CrowdStrike Falcon platform login page. Enter your username and password to log in to your CrowdStrike account. Once you are logged in, locate the configuration section in the left-hand menu. Click on alerting under the configuration menu. In the alerting section, you will see an option for endpoint alerts. Select this option to manage your endpoint alert settings. You will now see a list of available alert options. Review the different types of alerts you can configure for your endpoints. Choose the alerts that are relevant to your organizational needs. After selecting the desired alerts, proceed to configure the notification settings. You can set up email notifications by entering the email addresses of the recipients. Adjust the notification thresholds to determine when alerts should be triggered. Make sure to review any additional settings that may affect alert delivery. Once you are satisfied with your selections, locate the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply your changes and confirm the settings. You will receive a notification indicating that your alert settings have been successfully updated. To ensure alerts are being received, follow a test process by simulating an alert. Log back into your email to verify receipt of the test alert. If everything is working as expected, your subscription to CrowdStrike Falcon alerting for endpoints is now active. Regularly review and update your alert settings as necessary to maintain optimal security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.